Step right up and prepare for a sparkling prescription of knowledge as we unveil the pill-popping powerhouse known as GoodRx. They're not your average company, they're the superheroes of savings, the jesters of jaw-dropping discounts, and the masters of medicine markdowns. GoodRx swoops in like a frugal fairy godmother, armed with their mighty app and online platform, ready to vanquish the exorbitant prices of prescription drugs. With a wink, a nod, and a splash of wit, they turn your pharmacy visit into a hilarious haggle fest where savings reign supreme. So buckle up, hold on to your wallets, and get ready to dive headfirst into the whimsical world of GoodRx, where laughter is the best medicine, and discounts are their superpower. How does GoodRx work, you may ask? GoodRx is a free website and mobile app that helps you find discounts on prescription drugs. It works by aggregating prices from pharmacies across the country and providing coupons that you can use to save money on your prescriptions. To use GoodRx, simply search for your medication on the website or app. You will then be shown a list of prices at participating pharmacies near your location. You can also filter the results by price, pharmacy type, and insurance coverage. Once you have found a price that you are happy with, you can print out the coupon or save it to your phone. When you go to the pharmacy to fill your prescription, simply show the coupon to the pharmacist and they will apply the discount to your bill. Their value proposition revolves around 3 key pillars. Unbeatable price transparency. GoodRx brings clarity to the often murky realm of drug pricing. Their platform enables users to compare prices across different pharmacies, so you can easily find the lowest cost for your prescribed medication. No more surprises at the checkout counter. GoodRx ensures you pay the best possible price. Massive discounts and coupons. GoodRx has an arsenal of mind-blowing discounts and coupons up its sleeve. They have partnered with a vast network of pharmacies to negotiate exclusive deals and pass the savings directly to you. Whether it's a brand-name medication or a generic alternative, GoodRx helps you access substantial savings, making healthcare more affordable. User-friendly technology. GoodRx combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly interfaces. Their mobile app and website offer a seamless experience, allowing you to effortlessly search for medication prices, find the nearest participating pharmacy, and even access additional savings through their membership program. GoodRx puts the power to save in the palm of your hand. In essence, the value proposition of GoodRx lies in their commitment to making healthcare more affordable, transparent, and accessible. They strive to ensure that nobody has to choose between their health and their wallet, revolutionizing the way we approach prescription drug costs. GoodRx possesses several key unfair advantages that set them apart in the healthcare industry. 1. Extensive network and partnerships. GoodRx has built an extensive network of partnerships with pharmacies, healthcare providers, and pharmacy benefit managers, PBMs. This network allows them to negotiate exclusive deals and access discounted prices that are not readily available to individual consumers. Their established relationships give them a competitive edge in securing the best possible prices for their users. 2. Advanced technology and data analytics. GoodRx leverages advanced technology and data analytics to continuously analyze and monitor prescription drug prices, trends, and discounts. This enables them to stay ahead of the curve, identify cost-saving opportunities, and provide accurate and up-to-date information to their users. Their technological prowess allows them to rapidly adapt to market changes and deliver exceptional value. 3. Brand recognition and trust. GoodRx has established a strong brand presence and gained the trust of millions of consumers. They have become synonymous with prescription drug savings and are widely recognized as a reliable source for affordable healthcare. Their reputation and credibility give them a significant advantage over competitors, as users feel confident in relying on GoodRx to deliver on their promise of savings. 4. User-friendly platform and tools. GoodRx has invested in developing a user-friendly platform, including their mobile app and website, which are designed to be intuitive and accessible to a wide range of users. The simplicity and convenience of their tools make it easy for individuals to navigate the complex landscape of prescription drug pricing and find the best deals. This user-centric approach helps GoodRx attract and retain a large user base. 5. Data-driven insights and market influence. GoodRx's vast user base and data collection capabilities give them unique insights into prescription drug pricing, consumer behavior, and market dynamics. They can leverage this data to advocate for changes in the industry, push for more transparency, and negotiate better prices on behalf of their users. Their market influence allows them to drive positive change and shape the healthcare landscape in favor of affordability. In combination, these unfair advantages position GoodRx as a formidable player in the healthcare industry, enabling them to consistently deliver value to consumers and maintain a competitive edge over their counterparts.
Want to learn more? Subscribe for more Mind Shop lessons.